Hi, my name is Sagan Augustine, a certified financial planner. I work with the professional athlete and the NIL athlete. The reason for my video today is how to retire effectively. Right? So, I have 5 ways to help you retire effectively. Number 1, you want to save as early as possible. Right? So you want to start that saving as early as possible because there's a lot of power in that. I believe it was Albert Einstein who said the greatest invention ever made was compound interest, right? So with that, and I'll give you an example of how powerful it is. If you, for example, started at $0, right, and you put the money in the S&P 500, in other words, the top 500 companies in the United States, and you did that, and you're 20 years old, and you did that for the next 45 years, right? So you're going to start taking the money out when you're 65, or you stop contributing when you're 65. You would, out of your pocket, assuming you never given yourself a raise, you simply put the $8,000 away every single year. You would, out of your own pocket, you would have contributed $360,000, right? With the S&P 500 making 8% historically, right? And you did that for the next 45 years, your account balance would be a little bit over $3 million, actually pushing 3.1 million. See, that's the power of compound interest. You, out of your pocket, contributed $360,000, and then over time, the interest that your account has gained, that's how your account has grown to such a high balance. So the second thing I'd say, in order for you to retire effectively, you want to take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans. Those are your 401ks, right? Those are your SEP IRAs, right? Those are your simple IRAs, right? You want to take advantage of those things that you have at work. If you're in the NFL or the NBA, you know that that's available to you. And if you are an NIL athlete, depending on how you're structured, you can do it for yourself, right? And we can get into that. I'll give you my contact information at the end of the video, and you can reach out for more questions. The third way on how to retire effectively is contribute to an IRA. There's your traditional IRA. That's the pre-tax IRA. In the same example that I gave you, when you contribute earned money into an IRA, you get a tax deduction for that. But the caveat is when you're ready to pull the money out at 65, you're going to pay taxes on the money that you pulled out. However, if you qualify to put money in a Roth IRA, you could have made the same contribution, the $8,000 every year, right? And that's after tax contributions, so that's money you've already paid taxes on. And you let that do the same thing, and in 45 years, the benefit is that all that interest comes to you tax-free when you're ready to pull that money out in retirement, right? So the fourth way is you want to diversify your investments, right? You don't want to just focus on any one particular company or any one particular industry. You want to take advantage of what the market has for you so that you can have a well-balanced portfolio. And number 5, on ways to retire effectively, you want to periodically review and adjust your contributions, right? So you want to review your contribution to make sure that everything is going good in your portfolio. And if there's any changes that need to be made, you do that. That's where the financial advisor steps in, right? And then also you want to make adjustments every year. Oftentimes retirement accounts, there's adjustments on the amount of money that you're allowed to make as far as contributions. And there's adjustments that you have to make because sometimes you're over a certain income level and you're not allowed to put money in different accounts, right? So that's where your financial advisor will step in to help you. Your trusted financial advisor will come in to help you. With that being said, my name is Sagan Augustine, a certified financial planner. You can reach me at 239-207-7910. Again, that's 239-207-7910. My phone number is, I just gave you my number. But my email address is sa@Jesurun, Jesurun wealth.com. Again, that's sa@JesurunWealth.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and have a great day.